ओके, केमन अच्छी कोलकाता, ये सीखने के लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा. ठीक है. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर ओवर हियर टू मेक मनी, टू लर्न सेल्स? बस दैट्स इट. और जिनको पैसे नहीं कमाने उनके लिए इवेंट नहीं है. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू मेक सेल्स, आई नीड सम एनर्जी. यार अभी तो पहला सेशन है, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी दिखाओ. ठीक है. So my name is Udit Goenka, and I'm the founder and CEO of two brands known as PitchGround and FirstSales.io. So PitchGround, just a quick introduction because value पे ज़्यादा focus करेंगे, introduction पे कम focus करेंगे. PitchGround is my $20 million bootstrap startup, जहाँ पे it's an Amazon for software. You can buy incredible pieces of software for as low as $50. But first sales is where the fun comes in because you start building processes and you start selling. So, in order for anyone to build a sales engine, there are 4 core pillars. इसकी screenshot ले लो, slides नहीं मिलेंगी. तो be active, take notes. ठीक है? There are core 4 pillars that you have to focus on in order for you to build a very, very, very solid sales engine. The first is go-to-market strategy. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपकी मार्केट कहाँ पे. वेयर आर योर यूजर्स? इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू सेल. अभी कल की बात है, आई वाज स्पीकिंग विद अ लीड एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू सेल, दे वर एन आसना ऑल्टरनेटिव. सो मैंने उनको पूछा कि यार व्हाट इज योर गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी. तो दे टोल्ड मी कि हम टारगेट कर रहे हैं सीएस को, हम टारगेट कर रहे हैं लॉयर्स को, बिकॉज उनको कोई टारगेट नहीं कर रहा है. एंड मैंने पूछा वो पैसे दे रहे हैं? बोलते नहीं यार, उला के पैसे दे रहे हैं. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड हु योर मार्केट इज एंड योर गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी. बिकॉज अगर आपकी सेल्स साइकिल लंबी होगी ना तो धंधा नहीं चलेगा. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. योर सेल्स साइकिल नीड्स टू बी एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल. अगर कोई गो टू मार्केट में कट शॉर्ट कंपटीशन है, इट इज कंप्लीटली ओके टू गो एंड बी वन ऑफ दोस प्लेयर्स इन दैट कंपटीशन बिकॉज योर सेल्स साइकिल विल बी वेरी स्मॉल एंड बिजनेसेस रन ऑन कैश फ्लो. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेकेंड, बिल्ड अ हाई परफॉर्मिंग टीम ऑफ क्लोजर्स. तो इस पे आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट इन अ बिट मोर डिटेल इन अनदर स्लाइड वेयर आई विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इट टेक्स टू बी अ क्लोजर एंड नॉट अ सेल्स पर्सन. ठीक है. इट इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप क्लोजर बनो, सेल्स पर्सन ना बनो कभी जिंदगी में, नहीं तो यू विल कॉन्स्टेंटली हैव अ स्ट्रगल टू गेट सेल्स. द थर्ड इज टू ऑप्टिमाइज योर लीड टू क्लोज प्रोसेस. ये यहाँ पे इन जस्ट वन स्लाइड आई विल शेयर कि पूरी एक बायर्स की जर्नी क्या होती है, उसको ऑप्टिमाइज कैसे करना है वो बायर्स जर्नी को. आई विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. एंड फाइनली विल यूज डेटा, बिकॉज डेटा भगवान है. अगर डेटा पे आप भरोसा करोगे तो आपकी एक्यूरेसी और आप जो भी डिसीजन लोगे लाइफ में वो 98% तक करेक्ट होगी. अब उतना रिस्क तो यार सब लेते हैं. ठीक है. 2% के लिए यू कैन नॉट अनरिस्क योरसेल्फ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. हाउ डू यू डिफाइन योर गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी? ये सेशन को थोड़ा सा इंटरैक्टिव करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने क्वेश्चंस लिखा है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. आई नीड आंसर, नहीं तो मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे नहीं जाऊंगा. सो डज योर सेल्स टीम नो who your ICP is? यहाँ पे किसको ICP का फुल फॉर्म पता है? Just 2, 3, 4, 5 people. ठीक है. ICP stands for Ideal Customer Profiling. It is very important to understand who your customers are. अगर आपको ये पता नहीं है तो आप धंधा नहीं कर सकते. You cannot start a business if you do not understand your ICP. But उसमें भी you have to understand कि you have to focus on vertical ICP initially. Majority of the times what happens is कि when you talk to a business and ask them कि आपका कस्टमर कौन है, तो they say सभी हमारे कस्टमर है. Yeah, they will pick an industry, but you have to go deep dive in and be an thought leader and industry expert, and that's when you start driving sales for yourself. So it is very important to understand who your ICP is. And अगर आपके sales team को ये ICP की clarity नहीं है, they will not be able to sell. and हम यहाँ पे फिर as a founders हम हमारे sales team को blame करते कि भाई आप sales नहीं कर पा रहे हो. that is because आपको clarity देनी पड़ेगी कि ये buyer जो है हमारा वो इस तरीके का दिखता है. that is very important. अब मैं first sales का example लेता हूँ. ठीक है. we focus on just 2 sectors, marketing agencies and SaaS companies. बस हम थर्ड सेक्टर को टारगेट ही नहीं करते. अगर किसी को आके साइन अप करना है तो आप आके साइन अप कर लो, यूज कर लो, बट वी डोंट फोकस ऑन दैट. तो व्हेन आई स्पीक विथ माय सेल्स टीम एंड माय क्लोजिंग टीम, उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है कि SaaS कंपनियों की पेन पॉइंट क्या है, मार्केटिंग एजेंट्स की पेन पॉइंट क्या है, एंड दे कैन पिच देम अकॉर्डिंगली. ये बहुत जरूरी है. सेकेंड, आपकी जो मैसेजिंग है, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन है, वो बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. यहां पे हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव द राइट हेडलाइन फॉर योर वेबसाइट? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, that is like less than 10%. That means you have to start focusing on your communication. अगर आप यहाँ पे वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं दिखा पा रहे हो, तो आप अपने कस्टमर के साथ, अपने प्रोस्पेक्ट के साथ वो कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे दिखा पाओगे? यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी हाई लेवल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इट इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थर्ड, डू यू हैव द राइट सेल्स रोल एंड मॉडल्स टू कैप्चर द मार्केट? डेटा बहुत जरूरी है, विच इज व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड फाइनली, इज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अलाइन टूवर्ड्स अ कॉमन गोल? आपके सेल्स टीम को, आपकी क्लोजिंग टीम को आपका गोल बहुत क्लियरली पता होना चाहिए, गो टू मार्केट पता होना चाहिए. मूविंग ऑन. नाउ, हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट फिगरिंग आउट whom you should be targeting, right? So there are two ways to figure this out. सबसे पहले, focus on prospects who are ready to buy. There are problems in the world. Everyone over here has a problem. Every single individual has certain problems, right? And when you pitch to the right people right inside this event, you will end up getting a lot of buyers and customers in this event itself. क्योंकि सब लोग यहाँ पे एक pain point के साथ आए हैं. So it is very important to focus on prospects who are ready to buy. Second, target prospects who understands and connects with you very deeply. Now I'll give both examples of both of this and I'll dive into both of these points. Now, the first point that you have to ask when you are focusing on your prospects who are ready to buy is, can they afford your product? If they cannot afford your product, that means you're focusing on the wrong ICP. You have to reach out to people who has the money but also has a problem and is ready to pay for that problem. Understand. And इसी के लिए I started with the story of the prospect that I spoke to yesterday. तो the kind of ICPs that they are reaching out to, उनके पास उनका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं है. एंड दैट इज वाई जो सेल्स साइकिल होती है वो इतनी लंबी होती है. जिनके पास प्रॉब्लम होता है, दे वुड टेल कि भाई पैसे ले लो, मैं मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो. इसका एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं. हु ओवर हियर यूजेस ओला और उबर? चलो यहाँ पे तो हाँ ज्यादा आया, तो दैट मीन्स उन्होंने अपनी आईसीपी सही की है. ठीक है. नाउ डू यू नो वन थिंग, कि आपकी जब फोन की बैटरी कम होती है ना, तो दैट्स व्हेन दे सरचार्ज यू द मोस्ट. That's when these companies, they would show कि 1.5 का सरचार्ज है, 2.1 का सरचार्ज है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि you are in such a huge pain point कि अगर आपकी बैटरी खत्म हो गई तो वो एक कैब भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको, तो भाई जो मिल रहा है उसमें बुक कर लो. ठीक है. They understand the pain point and that's when they pitch you the most price and you are ready to pay for it. So again, understand that, understand कि उनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Then are they having a problem you're trying to solve? Again, I gave you an example of Uber and Ola over here कि लोगों की पेन पॉइंट है अभी यार, मतलब कैब में बैठना है, अगर बंद हो गया तो कहाँ पे चार्जिंग करेंगे, चार्जिंग केबल लेके आजकल लोग घूमते नहीं है. सो नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट, आर यू स्पीकिंग विद द डिसीजन मेकर? ठीक है. अब अगेन आई गो बैक टू ओला एंड उबर अगेन. यू आर बुकिंग दैट कैब, यू आर द डिसीजन मेकर ओवर हियर. नाउ अगर आप कोई अपने फैमिली मेंबर को बोलोगे एंड वहां पे अगर आपका उन्होंने अगर बुक कर दिया फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल अ कैब फॉर यू, देन प्रॉब्लम आती है कि भाई आप कहाँ खड़े हो, कहाँ पे यू आर सिटिंग, एंड यू आर फाइंडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स जहाँ पे आपको कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो विद दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोस्पेक्ट, एंड वहाँ पे यू एंड अप लूजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो अगेन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू deal and make connections with decision maker, because they are the ones who will ultimately pay for whatever service or product that you're selling. Then coming down to the next point, are they consuming your information or your lead magnet? Second, do they follow you on social media? अब यहाँ पे काफी सारे लोग हैं जो पिच ग्राउंड या फर्स्ट सेल्स के कस्टमर ऑलरेडी है. इट इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका जो प्रोस्पेक्ट है वो आपको सोशल मीडिया पे आज के टाइम पे फॉलो कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग जो थर्ड पॉइंट है, विच इज द थॉट लीडरशिप प्रोसेस. People want to buy from brand, people want to buy from thought leaders today. People do not want to buy from any random people, so you have to build that thought process authority, thought leadership authority. इसके लिए आपको खाली दो चीज करनी है. एक, आप LinkedIn पे रोज पोस्ट करो, ठीक है. सेकेंड, जस्ट क्रिएट अ वीडियो एंड पोस्ट ऑन Instagram या YouTube शॉर्ट्स. 60 सेकेंड लगेंगे, बड़ी वीडियोस भी मत बनाओ, जस्ट मेक अ 60 सेकेंड वीडियो. फोन उठाओ, रिकॉर्ड करो, पोस्ट कर दो. डोंट वरी कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, दुनिया क्या सोचेगी, एडिटिंग कैसे होगी. डोंट वरी अबाउट एनी ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, बिकॉज व्हेन वी ट्राई टू परफेक्ट थिंग्स वी नेवर स्टार्ट. यू हैव टू गेट स्टार्टेड विद थिंग्स एंड उसके बाद जो होगा देखा जाएगा यार. उसके बाद एडिटिंग में कैप्शंस डालने हैं, बाद के वीडियोस में डाल देंगे. बट गेटिंग स्टार्टेड एंड बिल्डिंग दैट हैबिट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ये थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ coming down to the second pillar, which is building a team of closers, not building a team of salespeople. Now, what is the difference between both of them? A salespeople is generally scared of losing a sale. भाई उसको हर लीड को कन्वर्ट करना होता है, because they are focusing on wrong people. तो जो भी लीड आएगा भाई इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, इसको छोड़ना नहीं है. That is not what a closer does. Our closers are someone who has a lot of confidence in their product and they deliver value जहाँ पे लोग आके बोलेंगे भाई हमको आप ही से खरीदना है, ठीक है. एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन दैट वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन, जो मैं थर्ड स्टेप पे आके, थर्ड पिलर होगा उस पे आके बोलूंगा. अ सेल्स पर्सन, दे टॉक अ लॉट. आपको ज्यादा बोलना नहीं, आपको ज्यादा सुनना है, ठीक है. आप जब पिच करते हो तो अपने प्रोस्पेक्ट से क्वेश्चंस पूछो. उनको आप ये मत बोलो मैं ये भी करूंगा, वो भी करूंगा, ये भी डिलीवर दूंगा, ये सब कुछ मत करो. जस्ट काम डाउन एंड उनको क्वेश्चंस पूछो कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. बिकॉज आपकी जो पिच होनी चाहिए वो आपके प्रोस्पेक्ट के प्रॉब्लम के हिसाब से होनी चाहिए. अगर आप अपने ही एक डिफॉल्ट पिच को हर जगह पिच कर रहे हो, आपकी क्लोजर रेट शायद 5% से भी नीचे होगी. एंड एक जो क्लोजर होता है, ठीक है, अ क्लोजर टिपिकली हैज अ क्लोजिंग रेट ऑफ ओवर 80%. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि यू आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि उनकी पेन पॉइंट क्या है. बिकॉज इफ यू प्रोवाइड अ प्रोडक्ट और अ सर्विस एज अ सोल्यूशन, पीपल विल बाय फ्रॉम यू. थर्ड, एक जो सेल्स पर्सन होता है, दे फोकस टू मच ऑन फीचर. हमारे पास ये फीचर है, हमारे पास वो फीचर है, हमारे पास 10,000 फीचर है हमारे कॉम्पिटिशन से. योर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स डोंट गिव अ लिटिल एफ अबाउट योर फीचर्स. उनको चाहिए क्या आप हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हो, एंड जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दैट वन सोल्यूशन दैट कैन सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम, बस. एंड दे विल स्टार्ट पेइंग यू. फोर्थ, a salesperson is like a carnival salesman. हर जगह जाके they will try to sell everything. That's not what a closer does. A closer is like a doctor. वो सुनेगा आपकी बात, वो पेन पॉइंट समझेगा एंड उसके बाद आपको बेचेगा. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी दैट डॉक्टर इन योर इंडस्ट्री. फिफ्थ, जो एक एंड इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे कि जो एक सेल्स पर्सन होगा वो एक एंगेजमेंट नहीं क्रिएट कर पाता है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट थॉट लीडर्स एंड दे विल टॉक अबाउट देमसेल्फ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हे चेक आउट माई न्यू डॉग, right? Versus a closer would be like, hey, I just got a new dog and what should I name him? You start creating engagement, right? And engagement is that step number one to building that thought process, because that's when you will start selling your product. Now, how do you sell and close literally anything? Never ever sell your product and services. No one wants to buy your product and services. People buy emotions and people buy stories. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि यू स्टार्ट सेलिंग बेस्ड ऑन इमोशन. जब कोई एक प्रॉस्पेक्ट आके आपको आपका पेन पॉइंट बोलेगा ना, तो बहुत अपनी दुख आपको जाहिर करेगा कि ये पेन पॉइंट है मुझे. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड यू हैव टू ट्रिगर दैट इमोशन ऑन द स्पॉट, एंड दैट्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट जनरेटिंग सेल्स. नाउ पीपल, they buy their way out of something and not in. We pay to solve our problems. It's very important. Second, people don't need to buy a drill, right? They just buy a drill. They just need to drill for a hole. So in that case, you provide that service. You don't need to sell that product. That's very important. And then finally, your revenue is your direct indicator of how well you understand your customers. अगर बैंक में पैसे नहीं है, अगर वो सेल्स नहीं आ रहा ना, that means you're not focusing on the right ICP. 8 billion people है, you can reach out to over 5 billion people through internet today. And अगर आप फिर भी sales नहीं generate कर पा रहे हो, that means your focus is completely wrong. Change your focus. And finally, again, like I said, people don't buy your product, people buy emotion. So start selling emotion, start selling outcome. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप ये नहीं कर पाओगे तो you will always struggle. आपके पास leads नहीं होंगे, prospects नहीं होंगे. There is a reason why आपके competitors शायद आपसे better कर रहे हैं, because उनकी जो strategy है वो थोड़ी सी different है. They are not trying to sell product and services. बहुत बहुत important है. Learn the art of storytelling. ये एक skill आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल देगा. Everyone, every single individual over here has a story. किसी के पास ऐसा है जिसके पास स्टोरी नहीं है खुद की? Is there anyone? Glad no one raised hand. Start telling your story. Starting में शायद एक जन सुनेगा, दो जन सुनेंगे. Keep telling your stories until the world starts telling your story. Always remember this. Pillar number 3. This is the most important slide in this entire presentation. This is how you start optimizing your entire buyer journey, which starts with awareness, consideration, purchase phase, retention, and advocacy. Advocacy is where you achieve product market fit. And मैं quote बोलता हूँ, where I say product market fit is like achieving an orgasm. Everyone wants it, but not everyone gets it, right? So that advocacy will only happen when people start talking about you on the internet. If people are not talking about you on the internet today, you will not be able to generate sales, जिसको हम normal भाषा में word of mouth marketing बोलते हैं. If people are not pushing your products, you will not be able to sell. And the first thing, I think slides बंद हो गए. Yeah, so coming back to slide number 3, so it all starts with awareness. You have to make sure you create a very good first impression, because ultimately people buy a book based on cover. हम कितना ही बोल दें कि don't judge a book based on its cover, हम book खरीदते हैं जब cover अच्छा होता है तो. It is the ultimate fact and truth. ठीक है, so make sure you have a first good impression. This means have a very good social media presence आज के time पे, because if you are doing anything, people will go and search about you. LinkedIn पे, यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे लोग अभी LinkedIn पे शायद मेरे बारे में already search कर रहे हैं कि मैं क्या करता हूँ, and whether they should trust my advice or not, right? It starts with good impression, and when you go to my profile, you will see how optimized it is. You will get everything about me, including my story. Copy that. Simple. Marketing is like HTML, CSS. You can literally copy someone's entire marketing strategy just by looking at it. And then create multiple touch points. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Second is your consideration stage. Now, why will people buy from you? They will look into your brand image, product features, pricing, and your customer reviews. 96% of people buy based on customer reviews. So make sure you are focusing on all of these things so that people would consider your product and services. Third is the most important phase, जहाँ पे you have to deliver 10x the value of whatever you have provided. Again, make sure that you provide value in every single step. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आपको हर step पे आपके prospect से बात करनी है, right? If your social media post is creating a lot of value for people, that is a value over here. ठीक है? So make sure that you're focusing 10x the value, and then you close those deals over Zoom call or Google Meet, whatever software that you're using. Fourth is very important, क्योंकि अगर आप retain नहीं करोगे तो आपका धंधा बढ़ेगा नहीं. It's as simple as that, and it will be a chicken and egg situation, जहाँ पे you are having a chicken but you're not having an egg, you're having an egg, you're not having a chicken. So growth बहुत important है, और वो growth तभी आएगी जब आप retain करोगे customers को, because आपका एक customer अगर if you lose them, उसको replace करने के लिए you will end up spending 5x more. So it's very important to focus on that. वो retention कभी आएगा when you focus on empathy. Take care of your customers, right? Treat them like humans. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार खरीद लिया तो भाई हम उनको भूल जाओ, ऐसा मत करो. Second, offer exceptional support. Based on stat that says कि almost 76% of users they make the decision based on a good customer support. अगर आप customer support अच्छा नहीं दोगे, people will not come back to you. And जो adverse effect होगा, people will start talking wrong about you on social media. Take care of your customers. Provide exceptional support. ठीक है? And finally, have good feedback. Constantly have a feedback. How many of you know what is an NPS? Less than 5% people. It's known as net promoting score. You need to understand how happy your customers are. And अगर वो score 6.8 के नीचे है out of 10, you need to start talking to your customers more and start increasing that score because they are not happy with your product and service. And if it's beyond 6.8, you're doing fabulous. And anyone who's running a product over here, please implement NPS. It will help you understand more about your customers. Please do that. बहुत सारे softwares available in market में. Just Google NPS softwares, you'll find plenty of them. And finally is advocacy. If people don't talk about you, you're not going to have the required growth. You're not going to achieve product market fit. So, बहुत important. How many of you have heard about MailChimp? Almost 50% of the people, right? Again, that is because everyone talks about them. So it's very important to convert your customers into your brand evangelist. बहुत important है. Now, pillar number 4. Use data to your advantage. What does this mean? How much time your salespeople are spending on actually selling and doing everything else? Track करो आप. Track करो कि are they actually on a call or what are they doing or they're just sitting around? Track karo, what other activities that are doing. Second, how quickly are you responding to your customers, prospects, inbound customer request? Third, what is your opportunity win rate? Which salesperson, which closer in your team has the highest closing rate and why do they have highest closing rate? Start analyzing that data and start understanding what is their SOP and start implementing that SOP across your entire organization because if one person can do it, second as well. The reason why second person is not able to produce the same result is because आपने आपका SOP sort नहीं किया and you have not given them a proper playbook because you cannot expect someone to just create a playbook by themselves and that playbook needs to be constant across your entire organization. Now, how long does it take on an average for your teams to close a deal? ये बहुत important to understand what is the sales cycle and then focusing on industries जहाँ पे sales cycle is a shorter because like I said, businesses run on cash flow. And finally, what percentage of your revenue is actually coming in from your new customers versus your retained customer? And अगर retention वाले customer से सबसे ज़्यादा revenue नहीं आ रहा है, you are not growing at that stage because अगर आपका 10% churn rate हो रहा है और 10% नए customers आ रहे हैं, you're not growing. You're just replacing that. And eventually you will run out of people in your industry. So again, it is very important to retain. अगर retain नहीं होगा, you're not going to grow at that point of stage. Here is my tech stack, ठीक है? For prospecting and lead generation, मैं personally 3 tool use करता हूँ, Uplead, BuiltWith, and Apollo. Second, बहुत important है, which is for sales. Use that, ठीक है? अभी I'm a closer, तो obviously मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक मेरे खुद का सॉफ्टवेयर का तो पिच करना पड़ेगा, right? So again, use email warm up feature. It is again very important. Then outreaching के लिए again use for sales. CRM, Pipedrive is my favorite CRM tool. It's my favorite CRM engine. मेरे को exactly पता है मेरे कौन से stage पे pipeline पे कितने users अभी बैठे हैं and when do they close. I have that data with me. And fourth and fifth one, which is understanding data for this, I use Supermetrics and one more software that I've not written over here is known as Mixpanel. So this gives me a very deep insights about each stage of my customer. वो क्या use कर रहे हैं, कैसे use कर रहे हैं, कैसे क्या कर रहे हैं. I have all of those information with me. And when you combine this entire 4 pillar, you start creating your sales on a steroid mode. You start creating a sales engine for yourself, right? जहाँ पे you have your GTM, you have your high performing team, you have optimized your entire buyer journey, and more importantly, you exactly know on the basis of data कि how much time it will take for you to close deal. Now, I am a data guy, so obviously मैंने इतनी सारी चीजें बोली है, तो many of you would be like यार मतलब बकवास कर रहा होगा या must be lying. So I came up with all the data points for you as well to say that don't trust me, but trust data. ठीक है? And ये data भी मेरा नहीं है, right? So as per data, 76% of the modern consumer expect businesses to understand their desires and expectation. This is how you build a GTM strategy. अगर आप अपने GTM you prospects के पास जा रहे हो, and if they don't understand कि आप उनका pain point समझते हो पहले, they will not buy from you. ठीक है? Then a high 78% of the sales rep engages in social selling. They outperform the ones who aren't. This means that अगर आप outreach कर रहे हो अपने prospects को, if you are reaching out to them, connect with them on LinkedIn, connect with them on Twitter. ठीक है? Everyone is there on social media and engage with their post, engage with their contents. This will help you to start building relationship. And unless until you build relationship, you build trust, people will not buy from you. ठीक है? Third, as per Notify visitors, more than 48% of the sales takes place after the 4th to 10th contact. Usually it takes around 16 touch points today to close your prospect. वो 60 touch points वाले जो theory थे ना, वो सब बहुत पुराने हो गए हैं. Because the market has evolved, today you require up to 16 touch points before you even consider closing your customers. यहाँ पे आप ads run करो, that can be one touch point. You get in touch with your prospect, that is one touch point. And finally, 57% of the enterprise organization use data analytics to drive strategies and change. So understand data. Data is everything. If you take the data-driven approach, you will always succeed. Here are some very important stats, right? And this is happening right now. Fortune and Bloomberg का stats है. ये बहुत latest screenshot है, जहाँ पे during the first quarter of 2022, 85% of the small business owners said that their business were heavily affected because of inflation. 67% had already been forced to raise prices, according to the US Chamber of Commerce. Historically, when demand falls, small businesses don't have a cushion to survive. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे small businesses who are struggling right now because of recession, right? आप शायद यहाँ पे बोल नहीं पाओगे, but अंदर ही अंदर सबको pain हो रहा है वो, right? Everyone is trying to figure that out. So again, understand that when it comes to recession, it's very important to build the right processes and strategy. Then, Federal Chairman of Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell says that US recession is a possibility, but it's not inevitable. Morgan Stanley economists, experts say a mild euro area recession in the end of 2022. So, काफी सारे लोगों को लग रहा है recession आ गया, but it is not yet there. It is expected to be there by the end of this year. So, it's very important to understand sales because sales work in every marketing cycle. Sales is that one recession-proof strategy that will always drive you sales. So if you want to connect with me, implement SOPs, and if you want to use for sales or PitchGround, here is the QR code. You all can scan and connect with me on LinkedIn. More than happy to take any questions if we are doing any QA round right now. If there are any questions, please take an opportunity. Yeah, please. So when I started this conversation, I started with a journey of my prospect and a conversation that I started yesterday. You will forget the whole thing, but you will not forget that. So you need to develop the art of storytelling with everything that you're doing. In this entire presentation as well, you might have seen that I've constantly told stories. I've constantly given you an example of things, right? So when it comes to storytelling, it's all about just making things very simpler for people to understand. And we humans will not remember data. We'll take action on data, but we remember stories. So it's very important to understand that and tell your stories. So I hope that helps. Any other question? Again, use this as an opportunity to introduce yourself. Pitch करो, यहाँ पे 400 लोग हैं यार. मतलब use this as an opportunity for yourself. Sorry? Great question. So vertical ICP का मैं एक simple सा example देता हूँ, ठीक है? Let's take an example of यहाँ पे first sales. So when we started focusing on first sales, and it's a 2-month-old product, we are reaching about 100K in ARR already in about just 2 months of time. हमारा जो ICP था, it was very clear कि we would focus on marketing agencies. But inside marketing agency, which is one segment, we started focusing on lead generation agencies because वो सबसे ज़्यादा outreach करते हैं. So for us, हमें उनको pitch नहीं करना था कि software कैसे काम करता है. We just had to tell them our software exists and they are ready to buy. because they knew the market very well. So because of that, हमने एक vertical ICP पे focus किया जहाँ पे segment के sub segment में there are people who understand your market very well, they understand the problem very well, and they are looking for solution desperately, and that is what vertical ICP stands for. If you are someone who's struggling to grow right now, take a step back, define your ICP, and then define your vertical ICP and start chasing your vertical ICP. I can guarantee you 1000% आपकी जो sales pipeline है वो immediately भरनी शुरू हो जाएगी and you will start getting customers right away. So I hope that helps. Any other questions? Yeah.
I'm a web performance consultant. So my clients in UK, they really appreciate that faster websites can bring a lot of revenue. But I'm really struggling to sell this concept to the Indian CEOs. So what kind of story you think could actually convince them to get
So what you're selling is a high performance website services जहाँ पे loading speed is quick, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what you can do is there are softwares available where you can scrape various websites in your industry using a tool known as Scrapebox. लिख लो ये सब, ठीक है? It will hardly cost you around $70 to buy this software. Buy some proxies and scrape the websites starting from page 2. Not from page 1, because page 1 are already ranking, they don't care, उनके पास leads आ रही है. Page 2 से page 10 तक वो सारी की सारी website scrape करो. Then use a tool like Uplead. वहाँ पे वो data upload करो. You will get all your prospects details. ठीक है? Now before doing that, take another step and ask one of your team members to go and check their loading speed. You can use various sites like I think there were a couple of sites. GT Metrics is one of the sites that you can use.
Yeah, there are a lot of sites, yeah.
Yeah, so you can use their API and you can get the loading speed of all of them. Now that you have that, start outreaching. That's all you have to do. Because अगर किसी की pain point आप बता देते हो कि you are losing X amount of sales because आपकी slide slow चल रही है, you would always have leads. So this is what is known as SOP. You focus on your targeted ICP जिनकी वो pain point है and use automation to combine that, build a flow, use softwares. और ये सारी चीजें ना आपका एक sales बंदा कर सकता है. From scraping, because of software use कर रहे हो, you will get that scraping data right away, and that's how you start scaling up. Because human resources आज के time पे इतने ज़्यादा expensive हो गए हैं कि अगर आप software नहीं use करोगे, you will not scale to grow. Software is your best investment you can make because ये 24 घंटे काम करेगा, रोएगा नहीं, ठीक है? Saturday Sunday को काम करेगा, आप जब सो रहे हो तभी भी काम करेगा, और दूसरा इन्फ्लेशन भी आएगा ना तो सैलरी हाइक नहीं मांगेगा आपसे, ठीक है? सो स्टार्ट यूजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. प्लीज खुद काम मत करो. सॉफ्टवेयर बने हुए, हर चीज के सॉफ्टवेयर बने हैं, खाली गूगल को यूज करना सीखो. गूगल करोगे आपको सारी की सारी ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी, हर तरीके की सॉफ्टवेयर मिल जाएगी. स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैट एंड स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग प्रोसेसेस विद इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So I hope that helps.
Just as a reminder, I was actually more interested in what kind of stories I can tell to these CEOs.
Sorry?
Approach तो कर लेंगे, prospecting भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन उनको जब आप first contact करते हो, उस समय आप अगर data देते हो कि आपका slow है, fast कर देंगे, तो can we tell some stories? Can you give us some story ideas for pitching, whatever, to the CEOs जो उनको appeal करे?
तो again use data over here. अब जैसे for example, I think there was a stat that came out from Amazon कि अगर उन्होंने कुछ 1 या 2 सेकंड की इंप्रूवमेंट की थी उनके वेबसाइट पे, एंड दैट लेड टू ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक $4 or $5 billion वर्थ ऑफ एडिशन. यूज दैट डेटा. अगेन मैंने पूरे स्लाइड्स में ना हर चीज को मैंने डेटा से बैक किया है. नो वन कैन डेयर टू क्रॉस क्वेश्चन मी, क्योंकि मैंने डेटा के साथ किया हुआ है. एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट टू योर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, देखो डेटा ये बोलता है, it will start making a huge difference at that stage. So
last question, what can I tell you to sell this service to you?
Sorry?
Last question, what kind of story I can tell you to convince that you should buy my services?
यार मैं तो सब चीज बहुत ऑप्टिमाइज करके चलता हूँ. Okay, any more questions? I think वहाँ पे.
Nice presentation. Thanks for that. It's very impressive that
Can you move your mic a little closer?
Yeah, it's very impressive. Basically, that you put on a lot of data and metrics. I would like to understand LinkedIn data. I don't know whether it's available on the internet. Just thought of checking with you. The B2B lead generation success specific to the country, like India, US, UK? Is there a data available? Because the promoter himself will talk about a lot of success stories, but is there a third-party data or metrics available to understand what is the success rate of LinkedIn promotion?
Sorry, I did not get your, I'm not able to hear your question. For what exactly?
To get the lead generation for services that
Lead
we
generation, B2B lead generation is so easy today. There are so many softwares available. You can buy Sales Navigator itself. There is another software known as EvaBot. Okay? The moment you get your LinkedIn Sales Premium account, you can use EvaBot to scrape all your data and then just upload it on tools like Uplead.
Yeah, my question is different. I'm asking about, is there a data available in terms of the success rate for B2B in India using LinkedIn? Is there some data available like that?
I think LinkedIn themselves are providing a lot of data. So
Okay.
the best way to do it is ki, LinkedIn always shows a lot of ads for themselves to start using services, right? Fill in the form, get their salespeople, and get the data from themselves.
Okay.
That is the best way to get the data. Because बाकी कितना भी डेटा कहीं पे भी होगा, लेकिन सेल्स वालों को तो बेचना है. They have to close you, right? So if they have to close you, they have to give the data about LinkedIn. That is the best way to get that data directly from them. Any other question before we wrap up?
When you get your prospects inbound lead and they really want to work with you, and when the deal is right before closing, and then two minds whether to go with you or not, what is something you can do to actually convert them at that stage?
Start providing them the right guidance from day one. Okay? Don't focus on just closing them. Keep focusing on providing value to them at every stage, and that's where मैंने वो 5 step का पूरा process बोला था. So if you are creating enough value, जैसे for example, as soon as you connect with them, अगर inbound lead आती है, chat से आती है, connect with them on LinkedIn. Connect the decision maker. It's very important that you start connecting with decision makers, right? अगर आप decision maker से connect नहीं होगे, then it is again going to be that chicken and egg situation, because वो बोलोगे कि higher authority को escalate करना है, वो बोलेगा उसके higher authority को escalate करना है, and your sales cycle increases drastically. So whenever you're getting that lead, first try and understand their problem. Try to get them on a call, क्योंकि जिनकी problem होती है वो immediately call पे आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, वो होने के बाद start connecting with them across social media and make sure कि आपकी social media की सारी profiles hyper active हो. It is very important. Optimize, please optimize. If you go on my Twitter, you will see कि मेरी Twitter account highly optimized है. If you go on my LinkedIn, you will again see my account is ultra active. If you go on my Instagram, you will again see it is very optimized. Forget about being active. It is very optimized. So you get all of the required information right away over there. Use that, because that builds a lot of trust. And it all depends. If someone is not buying from you, that just means they're not trusting you. That's the only reason that they're not buying from you. So start focusing on these aspects of the things. And then again, मैंने इसके लिए बोला कि आप LinkedIn पे रोज post करो. When you start doing that, one of the things you can do is you can start tagging those prospects, right? So here is one strategy that I implement very often. So मेरे pipeline में काफी सारे जो users रहते हैं ना, उनके जो pain point मैं समझता हूँ, and वो जो मुझे pain point बोलते हैं, I write them down and I create contents around it. And when I create those contents, I tag them. So they are like, यार ये तो पहले ही information दे रहा है. I need to buy from him. मैं और किसी से buy नहीं करूँगा, right? Because whenever it comes to any product or service selling, people will buy when they start trusting कि you can deliver. अगर वो delivery आती है, people will only buy from you. So वो बहुत important है. So start this process, just start implementing this SOP, and you will start seeing कि sales आपका जो है conversions बहुत drastically improve हो जाएगा आपका.
So we are running out of time, but Udit is available in an unconference from 11:30 to 12. So if you want to connect with him on a personal note as well, so you can go and connect with him during the unconference. You can ask all the personal questions, because we'll have to maintain the time for other speakers as well. So I'll not be able to take any other question for the time being, but all the details are here. Please feel free to connect even after the event.
Yeah, just one small thing. देखो, I charge $1,000 for an hour, so take this as an opportunity. मैं charge नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Take this as an opportunity and get as much information as you want right now. Thank you so much, everyone.